Welcome to Jay's How-To channel. I'm Jay, and today I'm going to teach you how to fix a flat tire or a screw in a tire. So let's get into it.
Now this tire is off my daughter's car. You can see there's a screw in the tread. You have to make sure that it's not in the sidewall. You can't fix a puncture that's in the sidewall. You can only fix a puncture that's in the tread. So here we are letting the air out of the tire. Got this little tool. It's a valve stem core remover. Now let's remove the screw. You can see it's only like a little half-inch screw. It just punctured the tire just a little bit. My daughter actually called AAA and had them change the tire. Then she brought it home. So here's this toolkit that I bought from Harbor Freight Tools. They've got little rubber strips in it and a little reaming tool. So we're going to ream this puncture clean and make it a little bit wider so that we can fit this rubber plug in it. So here I am just kind of working the tool into the tire, and it made the hole a little bit bigger. Now we're peeling off this rubber strip, and I'm going to pull it through this insertion tool. Yeah, it's a little bit tough getting it through there, but here we go. Now this is rubber cement, and it's a brand new tube, so I've got to puncture the top of the cap with this cap tool. Let's get this open, and now let's apply this to the rubber strip. Now make sure that you apply this stuff very liberally. Got to get a bunch of rubber cement on this rubber strip. It'll slide in a whole lot easier. Now we're going to insert this rubber strip into the tire. It takes a little bit of muscle, but you guys can get it. It's probably didn't ream this out big enough with the reaming tool. But there, I punched it in really good. And now I can pull the tool out, and it leaves the rubber strip behind.
Okay.
Now we're going to clip off this the rubber strips, the remaining rubber strips. Reinsert the valve core. Now we're going to add air to the tire. I put about 60 psi into this tire, and then we're going to leak check it. Now we're using Dawn dish soap, and we're going to check it for leaks. It'll bubble if we see any leaks. It's not leaking at all. I've got 60 psi in the tire, and it's not showing any bubbles. Make sure to lower the tire pressure back to the factory recommended specs. We're going to get this back on the car. Thanks for watching this video all the way to the end, and we really appreciate you guys. consider subscribing and smash that like button. We'll see you in the next video.